Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And here I am with another video today. And today I am going to be talking about makeup trends that are working in 2024. So we are already 6-7 months into 2024 and there are a few makeup trends that have been quite a rage on the internet. So I thought I should show you which trends are working for me, which are actually really something that I use in my daily techniques and that I've inculcated in my daily makeup routine. So yeah, we are going to talk about seven or eight trends something, and without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So the first trend is obviously about the base, and we all know that what is all over the internet is that your base has to be a really thin layer of foundation, or rather if you can completely skip foundation and just use BB cream, CC cream or a tinted sunscreen and things like that, where your skin actually looks like skin. If you want something that's that covers all your acne marks, cover all your pigmentation and things like that, you can definitely go with a full coverage foundation, but a thin layer of it, so that you get coverage but at the same time it doesn't look cakey. So your skin has to look like skin. And remember back in 2016, 2017, how we all loved that triangle technique for our concealers. Well, that's not here anymore. We are doing a highlighting concealer on the inner corners and then your skin tone, or one shade lighter than your skin tone, on the outer corner, and doing a lifting technique. So it's highlighting your under eyes, but at the same time you're just highlighting the inner corner and 1/3 of your under eyes, and rest is just neutral, and everything blends in and looks very pretty. But there's also one more thing that's been trending. I don't remember whether it was 2023 or the beginning of 2024. We all loved those pink powders and pink under eyes, ombre under eyes. I tried that technique too. I liked it, but I don't think I would use it in my daily. But what I use in my daily is a brightening under eye concealer and a neutral one. I love that technique. I love what lift it gets. Like right now I have that technique on my face. I have a lifted concealer here, and it definitely does work for me. And while we are talking about lifted makeup, we cannot forget contours, because as much as a highlighted concealer or a concealer gives that lift to our face, contour adds on to it. So when you do a lifting technique, you take that concealer shade, which is a warm tone for you, which is your contour bronze shade, and then just lift it outwards, or you also connect it to your eyebrows. All of that is actually going to add to the lifting technique that you do with a concealer, because then you get a proper contrast of dark and light, and that's what gives you the lift. Glazed blush, sunset blush is something that's been going all over the internet. I am using it. I am using that technique. I did a shorts, I think. I will link that here or in the description box, where I did this proper sunset blush, but I think it becomes a little extra. I am using a subtle version of it, where what you see right now, you will see a little bit of orange, a little of peach, and this is how that subtle sunset blush looks. And I am definitely including that technique into my daily routine, but I'm just taking care that I am not overdoing it, otherwise it can look a little extra. And ombre lips are back. Nude lips, ombre lips are really back into trend, and I love it. I remember when I was a kid, like 10 years, 12 years, people used to do ombre lips so much and I used to love them, but back then I was a kid, so my mom did not allow me to do it. But now, since the trend is back, I can actually do it and I love it. And when it comes to brows, those feathery brows are out of fashion, and for good, because I never liked them. Maybe it is because my brows never look feathery, because they are so bushy. I just can't do feathery brows. But also I never felt the need that I absolutely wanted to do it, but my brows does not help me do it. What I'm liking now is natural brows. So you fill in your brows really well, set them on place with a brow gel or something, and they look very natural and still fuller brows. I love that. So those are the few makeup techniques that are trending in 2024, which I have used in my makeup routine, and I am using them on and on, and I don't think these trends are going anywhere. So I really like that. And yeah, that's all for this video. If there's any other makeup technique that you think I should try on, please drop it in the comment section below, क्योंकि मैं ढूंढती रहती हूँ मेकअप टेक्निक्स जो मैं ट्राई कर सकूं, बट मुझे कुछ ज्यादा मिलता नहीं है। एनीवेज, अगर आपके पास कोई टेक्निक है तो मुझे प्लीज नीचे बता देना, एंड इफ देयर इज एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू वांट मी टू मेक वीडियोस ऑन, ड्रॉप दैट टू इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। आई विल बी so हैप्पी टू डू इट। अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, टेक केयर, टाटा।